Welcome to the Louvre Palace, a building that's witnessed royal intrigue, revolutionary chaos, and the birth of the world's most iconic museum. But how did a medieval fortress become home to the lost and buried truths? And what secrets lie hidden in its 60,000 square meters of galleries? Let's uncover the story. Hey guys, today we're diving into the Louvre Palace, a place where history, art, and mystery collide. Stick around because I'll reveal 1. The shocking origins of this 800-year-old monument. 2 pro tips to avoid crowds and see the best masterpieces. 3. Hidden spots even most locals don't know about. And don't forget to hit subscribe, Lost and Buried Truths, we've got a lot to explore. Long before Venus de Milo or Napoleon, the Louvre was a fortress built in 1190 to protect Paris from Viking raids. Imagine thick stone walls, a moat, and a dungeon. But in the 16th century, King Francois I tore it down to create a Renaissance palace. Why? To show off his art collection, including Da Vinci's Mona Lisa. Right now, we're standing in the Louvre's underground vaults, the only surviving part of the original fortress. Look at these walls. They've seen centuries of drama. Fast forward to 1793. The French Revolution turned this royal palace into a public museum. For the first time, art wasn't just for kings, it belonged to the people. But here's the twist. Napoleon later turned the Louvre into his personal trophy cabinet, filling it with looted treasures from Europe. This painting, it's Napoleon's ultimate flex. He literally crowned himself emperor here in the Louvre. Talk about ego. Beyond the crowds, the Louvre hides quirky secrets, like the inverted glass pyramid, rumored to be a Da Vinci Code mystery spot, or the lavish Napoleon III apartments, where chandeliers drip with gold. For the best view, sneak up to the Richelieu Wings rooftop. You'll see the Eiffel Tower and Paris skyline. With 9 million visitors yearly, the Louvre isn't just a museum, it's a money-making machine. From €17 tickets to Mona Lisa merch, it earns over 150 million euros annually. Fun fact, the Louvre even rents its art to other countries, like the 2017 Abu Dhabi deal worth 1 billion euros. If you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell.